Did you know how much it really costs to form a single corner? Let's take a look at the traditional process. To form just one corner, it usually takes at least 3 minutes from spot welding to full welding to grinding. All of these steps add up to a huge time cost. Now let's do the math. If it takes 3 minutes to make one corner and a cabinet has 8 corners, that's 24 minutes. Over a day, in 8 hours, we can only make 20 complete cabinets. This takes up a lot of our time. Just imagine, your factory can only make 20 cabinets a day. How inefficient is that? And time isn't the only cost. There's also labor. You need at least 2 workers on for welding and another for grinding. Even then, you still can't guarantee a high yield rate. On top of that, there are consumables, welding wire, grinding discs, and more. Plus, if the weld leaves surface marks, your painting or powder coating later may result in rework. So, if you're still using traditional welded corner forming, we strongly recommend you check out our corner forming machine. It's a one-step cold forming process. If you have sample parts, feel free to send them to us. We offer free sample processing.